All right, days 13 and 14 out of the math packet for April. Write two composite numbers that are between 0 and 20. I just wrote all of them that are between 0 and 20. I included 20. I don't know. It's kind of a vague question there. I'd probably say it should not have been included because it's not between 0 and 20. How many minutes are in 1/3 of an hour? Draw a clock. I drew a clock, but it's kind of garbage. But you have to know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. All right. And if we do that, I know I already have 3 up there, but I'm going to do 2 right here real quick. 60 times 1/3. 60 times 1 would be 60 with the 3 there. And then we would divide. How many times does 3 go into 6? 2, subtract. 0, checks out, bring down 20. So it would be 20 minutes. Mrs. Mason's class measured the length of several caterpillars. How many are longer than 1 inch? So what I did, I took them all and I just put them in order. All right. And then I counted. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I should have 14 data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That way I made sure I got them all. Now, how many are longer than 1 inch? So then I could just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, write 2 things you know about quadrilaterals. All right, they have 4 sides, and it's a closed figure. All right, that would be 2 things that I know about them. You could also say they have 4 vertices or like 4 corners, and all the lines are straight in a quadrilateral, not arced. Make a line plot using the data above. Don't forget a title. All right, so we can just use caterpillar length. Caterpillar length will be our title. All right, and inches. So I'm going to have 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, and 2. All right. Now I'm going to make sure I didn't miss anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So how many do I have at 1/4? That'd be 3. So 1, 2, 3. Done there. 1/2. So I have 2. And you want to make these x's about the same size. That way you get a visual representation of how many of each, not just by the x's. And that is a little struggle on this apparatus, on my graphics tablet. All right, there we go. All right, excuse me, day 14, show 5/10. So that would be shading in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 complete. So that would be 5/10. All right. 42 hundredths is greater than 24 hundredths. Just think of this change, rather have 42 cents and 24 cents. Sarah wants to run 10 miles this week. So far, she has run 5 3/4 miles. How many more miles does she need to run to meet her goal? All right. So that is number 3 on day 2. So she wants to run 10, and we're going to subtract 5 3/4. Okay, we need to borrow from the 10. All right, so that will equal 9 4/4. She's already gone 5 3/4. We subtract. We start in the lowest place value, so we get 1/4. There, 9 minus 5 is 4. So she still needs to run 4 1/4 miles. Multiply the sum of these 6 tiles. So sum means addition, obviously, and multiply by 6. So we need to add up all the scores here. So 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17, going to multiply by 6. 6 times 7, 42. 6 times 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that would be 102. Maria cut 5 feet of string to attach to her kite. How many inches is that? Well, we need background knowledge. We need to know that there is 12 inches and 1 foot. So then if we know that, we should know that she has 12 inches 5 times because she has 5 feet. So if we do 12 times 5, 5 times 2, 0. 5 times 1, 5, plus 1 more is 6. Or that's also a basic fact we should note to our 12s, but that would be 60 inches. There we go.